friends, here's some fun games to play. This says farm animals and zoo animals, and then there's some squares. So you're gonna go and cut out, these are actually rectangles, but you can cut them down to make fit into here. And decide which animals live at the farm and which animals might live at the zoo. Some of them might live at both. You never know. So like, would you find an elephant at a farm or at a zoo? What about a zebra or a chicken or a pig? And go through all of these. You do not have to glue them down. You can leave them off so you could play this game over and over if you would like. If you'd like to glue them down, go ahead and have fun. Then our next game is an elephant dice roll and a zebra dice roll. So you're gonna need a dice. You're gonna roll. I got number 2. So I'm gonna look for number 2 and then I'm gonna color it in. You can use anything you want to color it in. You can just put a piece of token over here, anything you want so you can play the game over and over. Have lots of fun with the games. Bye, friends.